This lesson is going to talk to you about the difference between pages and modules and how they're actually related, not that different from each other. So when you get to your Canvas course, you're going to use your left navigation. You'll start with pages. When you click View All Pages, this is every single page that exists within this Canvas course, and they're always alphabetical. So if we want to add a page here, we're going to call it 00 test page because I have another one in here that we're going to be working with. That way it moves it to the top. So this is our page. Now, if you look at View All Pages, I have 0 test page, 00 test page. And if I want my students to look at those two pages together, that's what I would make a module for. So when you click on modules, you'll see the modules that we have created in the Instructor Headquarters for History. For example, this module is made up of 3 pages. This module is made up of 4 pages. So when they click on a module, they can scroll to the bottom and use the next key, or the next button, I guess. And they can go to the second page, and then to the third page, and then they can go to the 4th page, and then this next actually takes them to that next module. They loop that way. So when you want to make your modules, you're in here, similar to how you made a page. You're going to hit plus module, and we're going to call it test module. Your new modules are always going to go to the bottom of the page, and then you can move it. You just drag it, move it like this, and you have a module but you don't have any pages in it. So you'll have to hit plus, and then you choose the type. You can add quizzes, files, pages. They can all be a mix. We're going to add pages, and we're going to look for the ones that we created before. I'm going to add both of them. So then when I go to this first page, when you hit next, it's going to take me to that second next page. So that's pages versus modules. The things to keep in mind is I could delete this entire module, but it would still keep those pages. So deleting from modules does not delete the pages. And there's another video for about publishing pages and modules. If you want information on that, be sure to check it out. Thanks, y'all. Happy Canvas planning.